Fat burner drink. Drink this drink for 2 weeks in the morning before breakfast. To get an effective result, you will notice the difference, especially in your stomach area. Cut the lemon and squeeze the juice, and set aside. We will need it later. Lemon helps to get rid of toxins from our body and speed up metabolism. Cut the skin into small pieces. Take a pan and add into it 1.5 glasses of water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon instant coffee. Coffee speed up metabolism and reduce the feeling of hunger. Turn on the flame and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Strain. One tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon honey for sweetness. Drink this drink for 2 weeks in the morning, before meal. These tips are completely natural.